In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a wallpaper on iPhone. First, we begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gear icon, which is typically found on your home screen. This icon represents the settings for your device. Tapping on it will take you to a menu where you can adjust various features of your iPhone. The Settings app is essential because it serves as the control center for your device. It is where all customizations happen, including changing your wallpaper. Once you tap on the app, you will see a list of options available for configuration. Next, tap on Wallpaper. This option is fairly easy to find as you scroll through the settings menu. Once selected, you will be presented with more options related to your wallpaper settings. This step is important because it takes you directly to the area where you can manage your device's wallpaper. Here, you can see your current wallpaper and make changes. You might notice that the interface is clean and user-friendly, making navigation simple and intuitive. Now tap on Add New Wallpaper. This option allows you to select a new image to set as your wallpaper. After tapping this, you will see various categories from which you can choose. It's a straightforward action that opens up a world of customization. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for selecting a wallpaper that reflects your personal style. You will feel a sense of excitement as you explore the possibilities of new designs and images for your screen. From here, choose a wallpaper from Photos, Photo Shuffle, or one of Apple's wallpaper categories such as weather and astronomy, emoji, or color. You will see a gallery of options displayed on your screen. Each category offers unique themes and images that can enhance your iPhone's look. This is a fun part of the process as you can express yourself through your choice of wallpaper. Whether you prefer a serene landscape or a vibrant color, there is something for everyone. For selecting your preferred wallpaper, customize it if you'd like. You can adjust the positioning, add filters, or even change the perspective of the image. This step allows for personalization, making your wallpaper truly yours. Customization is essential as it lets you tailor the look to your preference, ensuring that every time you unlock your phone, you see something that brings you joy. You can experiment here and create a wallpaper that fits your aesthetic perfectly. Next, tap Add. This action saves your selection and prepares it for use. When you tap this button, your iPhone processes the new wallpaper, ensuring that it is set up correctly. It's a simple step, but it's a significant one because it finalizes your choice. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the wallpaper is ready to be displayed. Now choose one of the following options. Set as wallpaper pair to use the same wallpaper for both the lock screen and home screen, or customize home screen to use a different home screen wallpaper. Understanding these options is important because it allows you to have a cohesive look or a unique style for each screen. This flexibility means you can create a harmonious aesthetic or mix things up based on your preference. Lastly, remember that you can use Photo Shuffle to automatically rotate through multiple photos on your lock screen throughout the day. This feature adds a dynamic element to your wallpaper experience. It's a great way to keep things fresh and engaging. By using this option, you can enjoy different images without needing to change settings frequently. And that's it! You've successfully changed your wallpaper on your iPhone. Enjoy your new look.